Well, teacher, uh, good day. Have a nice day. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. My name is Omar Navarrete Suarez. I am studying technology management data networks from the course 6221. And this is the evidence of a beautiful place, a touristic place video. Well, I want to talk about Colombian Pacific. I was recently with my girlfriend traveling in little vacations we had for our works, going to Buenaventura's town. The photographs or the images you are watching are photographs that we took with our phones. So I didn't look for it in Google. These photographs are of our authority. Well, this photograph is Juan Chaco. It is located in Valle del Cauca. I was there for watching whales jumping, a plan. I, um, as I said before, I travel with my girlfriend and her friends. We travel from Bogota. I like so much this photograph because in that place you can watch the big and the beautiful that we have in the trees, the tractor, the sand, the wood, and the umbrellas. And the most beautiful thing that I like to take that photograph were the flags of Colombia. That made me feel so proud. And for that reason, I took this photograph with the palms, the flags, the tractor on the beach. This is a photograph of the whale we can watch when it jump. We try to do two trips because the first one it was raining and it was a little difficult to become or try to watch them because the rain doesn't let us to devise very well the whales. So we can watch them at first sight. We pay a new trip cheaper than first one. They stole us. In first trip, we pay 2,000 pesos. In the second chance, we could see them jumping over the sea and we pay 80,000 pesos. They are the biggest mammals in Earth. Whale is bigger than cows, its son. Here is the map we did for the vacation trip since Bogota to Cali in a craft. It lasts 1 hour. So we live in the Bogota city and we took a plane with Avianca to the airport in Cali. Its name is Bonilla Aragon, Airport International Bonilla Aragon. Um, the tickets were cheaper than now. We bought the tickets around or more 2 months, no, 5 months ago, because in the page we can see them very, very, very cheap or cheaper than today. Then we went in bus. We went in bus since terminal from the airport of Cali. We went in car till the terminal of transportations of Cali in car or taxi. Mm, then we went in bus around 3 hours to Buenaventura. This trip was harder than plane trip. When we arrived to Buenaventura's town, we have to go to Juan Chaco in motorboat. I did not talk about the transportations in the terminal of the airport to the terminal, but well, I did not write, but I trying to tell you what happened. That video that you are watching, it was recorded by my girlfriend. We can see or watch the whale mom and his calls, his calls, her calls, pardon, sorry, her calls. That was a real video taken for us. When the calf jumped from the water, it was so amazing to see that in real life. In motorboard, the trip lasted around 1 hour jumping over the waves. It was prettier than bus because we use seldom this kind of vehicle to arrive to Huanchaco. Yeah, sorry, that I didn't see that. To arrive to Huanchaco, we lost 10 hours. Colombia must have a better transportation. It is the most beautiful place in Colombia, but it is further than a trip to Cartagena or Coveñas. Conclusion, watch whales is better on TV since Bogota. What I want to say is that the travel or the trip was very difficult for us. Our health, we suffered about headaches and stomach ache is in the travel in the different kind of transportations, bus, taxi, car, Didi, then the motorboard that affect us in our health. So it is very, 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 very further or for far. It is very, very far, and it's further than travel in the Cartagena. It's easier go to Cartagena in plane because you are in the same city and you can go around the beach and the center town of city to travel. Here in to Pacific is more difficult because that those places are forgotten by the state. The inhabitants of these places are people very, very poor or poorier, poorier than, ¿cómo se dice poor? Poorier. I can I can remember how to say the comparative of poor, poorier than poorier, or the poorest. I forget it. So this is my story. Thank you to you. Goodbye.